places, and nature.
Just about everywhere you look there is vegetation. And trees and plants are so plentiful until we really see and don't see. On any given road or highway in rural areas, plant life is just about everywhere. So to begin, a hike into the woods is not necessary. Join me as I explore some of the names of many plants and trees we see on a day-to-day basis, yet we may not know the correct names of such vegetation if we know it at all. And we will document usefulness or if it's non-useful to humans.
It really could be useful to know the names of plants and what they're used for, just in case something was to happen to the modern world. Knowing whether a plant is useful for medicinal purposes, culinary purposes, or if it's poisonous is really something that we all should know.
This plant, which is fragrant with sweet overtones, is called sweet autumn clematis. It blooms in late summer to fall, and it's growing wild along the roadside. Bees and hummingbirds love this plant for its fragrance. As for humans, this plant is toxic if ingested, and it will grow out of control if you let it. Medicinally in the past, this plant has been used topically to treat joint pain, headaches, and skin issues. Again, it's poisonous to humans if ingested. Here in South Carolina, this plant was found not only in Marion, but Bishopville as well, growing wild along rural roads. This plant from afar looks like sweet autumn clematis, but with a closer look, we see that it's not. It's possibly cudweed or pussy toes. It's not clear what it is, and my research has not made a substantial match. If anyone knows, please comment if you can.
I've seen a lot of trees, but I can't say that I know the name of the majority of them.
This is a chestnut tree. However, there are two types, the sweet chestnut, which is edible, and the horse chestnut, which is poisonous. Knowing the difference between the two is important. The leaves of the poisonous chestnut tree looks like this, which means this one is the edible version that produces nuts that look like these. The nuts can be eaten raw, or they can be roasted. Either way is fine. This particular tree is almost extinct. In America, it's hard to grow them to full-grown status because they are prone to disease. Medicinally, the leaves of this tree has been made into teas for its antioxidant properties, inflammation, fighting abilities, and antibacterial properties for the skin.
Where I'm from, trees and plants are so commonplace, yet I haven't been taught the names of trees, plants, and flowers. Say, for instance, what's the name of that tree right there? To me, it looks like some kind of a maple tree, but I'm not sure.
It looks like a poplar tree, but there are different varieties, so which one is not so identifiable unless one is a botanist. And if it's not a poplar tree, then stay with us, and together we can learn the names of as many plants that we can.